Hello, in this video, I'm going to go over how when you are running Blocksi and your students are going to sites that are educationally appropriate and they're getting blocked, how you can allow them to go to those sites. So right now I am signed in as Jane and I'm going to start my class. Now, right now Jane is on 3 different sites. She hasn't gone to anything that's being blocked. What I'm going to do now is as Jane, I'm going to pull this up. As Jane, I'm going to go to a site that's educationally appropriate that might be blocked. Okay, let's try something like Flickr. If you want them to search images. Okay, so Flickr is blocked. Let's say I want them to be able to go in and search an image and use it in their Google Slides or whatever assignment I have them doing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the tab, and then you can see that I can move it to the allow list. If you get this message right here, what you need to do is you need to go right here where it says block and allow, and then change that check and remove that check. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here, back to the tab the student's trying to go to, and we're going to click to allow list. Okay, now we're going to double check and make sure that it's on our allowed list. Okay, and if I want to, I can click edit and I can see what she's trying to go to. And if I want to, I can just turn that into Flickr.com, save. So now Flickr is allowed. And if you look at Jane, she can now see Flickr. So if your students are going to websites and it's blocking them, but it's educationally appropriate to your class and you want to allow them to go there, these are the steps to allow your students to log into those sites. Okay, after you are done allowing your students to get to that website you want them to go to, and at the end of your class, let's say that you don't want your next class or for them to get to it again if another teacher doesn't want them to. So what you're going to do is when you stop your class, your allowed URLs are automatically deleted, so they will not be there for the next session. So if I stop this course right here, Jane will be blocked again from Flickr. So I'm going to stop. And as you can see, my allowed URLs is completely empty. If I wanted to keep the same allowed URLs for the next session when I started the class, I would just click keep URLs on next session and save. Okay? Any questions, please reach out. I'm always here to help.